Hi students, today I am discussing about one of the important question which is generally asked in the competitive exam NEET and JEE Mains and Advanced. So here the question is, write the sequence of all possible tripeptides composed of the amino acids, that is tyrosine, histidine and valine. Generally, this tyrosine with the three symbol can be written as TYR. This can be written as HIS. This can be written as a VAL. So now I can write here the possibility of amino acid is, it means tripeptide I am writing with three amino acid combined to form a peptide bond, that is dipeptide, and two peptide bond will be there in that. So one TYR, next histidine, next valine, next here tyrosine, valine, histidine. Next histidine should be first, tyrosine, valine, histidine, valine, tyrosine. Next valine should be first, tyrosine, histidine. Next valine, histidine, tyrosine. Now consider we have the three amino acids. In these three amino acids, anyone consider, it may be first one consider, second one or third one consider. Among these three, one has the three possibilities. Anyone. For example, I want to consider first one, that is tyrosine. That is tyrosine having three possibility of arrangement, and second one, when it is considered as the first one, it has three possibility, then remaining in that second one having the two possibility, third one having the one possibility. Anyone consider first one, that is three, second one two, third one possibility. So now I am first one consider, this is amino acid three possibility, second one, that is histidine two possibilities, valine having the one possibility. If you consider valine is the first amino acid, then it has three. If you consider this is the second, then it is two possibility. This is last, then it is one possibility. It depends upon your consideration. Okay, so I consider this is. Otherwise, you can consider in simple way, instead of taking this difficulty. I want this A, this is B, this is a C. Consider only for our consideration only. This is not the exact symbol of tyrosine and histidine valine. For our convenience, easy to understand. So what is the convention here? A, B, C, if you arrange like this, so generally we have three, then A can be at the first position, or it is the first position, or it may be at the middle position. This can left or middle or extremely right. A can be at the left, A can be at the middle, A can be at the right. That's why it has the three possibilities. Next, in this arrangement of amino acid, B already occupied the middle position. Next, what are the position of B? It may be the left, it may be the right. Because already B occupied the middle position, already one position is fixed. Remaining positions are maybe left or right. That's why next one having the two possibilities only. Next C. C already occupied the one position, because actually C can be extremely right, middle or left, like this. A having a three position means B also having three position, C also having the three position. But in this arrangement B already occupied the middle, then only two possibilities. C one position occupied when B left side or right side. For example, consider, I will explain with this one. A is the tyrosine, then extremely left, extremely left. Next, A may be middle. A may be middle is, this is A middle, A middle. So second possibility of A completed. A may be right also extremely. A may be extremely right. This is A, this A, extremely right. This is A. So with respect to A, three positions are completed. Next B. In this A is left side. Already B is in occupied the middle one. Already occupied. That's why Next two positions are maybe left, next is right. What are the left, right? We can check. This is a left position, that's why this is a B. This B already here. Next, maybe right side. B may be left, B may be right. Already left completed. Next, this is a B right side and B right side. Next, in this arrangement, Valin is occupied already in the extremely right, that is C. Now, when B is extremely right or extremely left, then Valin occupied which one position? Middle position. This is middle position. When it is right, when it is left, already occupied the which one position? Middle position. That's why for C, only which possibility is there? Already right side occupied. Where right side? This is here right side and here already right side. And when B is may be left, B is may be right, that time B may be left or right, B is right, B is left, that time we are occupied the middle position, then only one position that should be maybe extremely left. Extremely left position here is there. That's why this is C. Then it has value only one possibility of arrangement. So always we can't arrange this type of arrangement in the competitive exam. For this, I will give the one shortcut, that is called, this is 3 possibility mean 3, 2 possibility mean 2, 1 possibility mean 1. This can be written like this: total 3 into 2, 2 into, it means 6, 6 into 1, that is 6 only. Total, how many tripeptides are possible with the 3 different amino acids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this arrangement we can't write in examination. Sometimes it may go wrongs also. To avoid that wrong, we can write this type. But this is can be also sometimes represented as a 3 factorial. According to mathematics, it is called 3 factorial. 3 factorial can be written as like this only: 3 into 2 into 1, that is called 6. That is the answer. If 4 amino acids are given, that is called, here tripeptide possible. Here which one possible? Tetrapeptide. This is called tetrapeptide. When tetrapeptide form with the 4 amino acids, then how to answer? We can't write like this. I hope that compulsory we may go that wrong answer also. That's why it is simply represented as 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, that is 24, 24 into 1, that is 24. 24 tetrapeptides are possible. For example, if the question may be given 20 amino acids, 20 different amino acids, different, this is different, here also different amino acids are given, consider. That time, how many here more than, that is 2, 3, 4 is there, that is tetrapeptide, penta, like this is there. This is considered polypeptide because number of amino acids are there. So how many polypeptides are possible? That time we can write this is 20 factorial. 20 factorial meaning what is that? 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 into like dash 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 15 into 4 into, that is 3 into 2 into 1, that equal to, what is the answer? You can do in the calculator. So I did already, that is answer nearly 2.43 into 10 power 18 polypeptides are possible. So this is a shortcut trick you have to do in competitive exam. If 5 amino acids are given, then 5 factorial. 6 amino acids are given, 6 factorial. That is the answer for this type of a peptide bond formation with the sequence of amino acids. Thank you very much.